Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your stabs sound a bit more interesting using simple panning. So I have this right here. It's just a stab. Some are reverse, some are not. Some are short, some are long, and this is what it sounds like. Right? So let's create I already put them in a group, but let's create a new audio track. And I want to drag some down and have these hard panned left and, well, not hard panned left and right. No, we'll maybe go 20. 20 left, 20 right. I'll just kind of drag different ones. So maybe these two. Let's take a listen to it. Maybe this one. That sounds pretty cool. And that's just with basic, simple panning. And panning's like a really good mixing technique because it's kind of cheating, and it's a good way to kind of make things sit in the mix better. And when things are panned, you'll notice from the beginning of this video till now, it seems a little bit louder. And that's a weird thing that happens, but it's true. It makes something, when it's directly down the middle, it sounds quieter, and when it's spread like this, it sounds louder, perceivably. I actually have to turn it down a little bit. So that kick and that bass right in the middle, and then these things dancing around on the outside. And you can do this for a lot of things. And since you can do it too by mapping it to a macro and then automating it within Ableton. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.